Hey guys, Katie here. So today I am going to be doing another Firmoo glasses haul. They sent me a new pair and these are the exact same pair I wore in my very first Firmoo video. So this is what they look like. This is honestly like how I look all the time, minus the makeup, because I don't wear makeup all the time, but I wear these glasses literally every single day. There's a hair in my mouth. I wear these glasses every single day just because the frames are so huge and like I have big eyes as it is, so it just makes it very easy for me to live my day-to-day life. I love being able to just like look to the side and not have to turn my whole head, because with smaller frames I noticed that I do have to turn my whole head if I want to like look to the side, if that makes any sense. I'm really happy that I got a new pair because my other pair was getting kind of gross. They sent me this during the holidays, like during Christmas. It was like 2 months ago. Oh my god, I'm so sorry. They sent me a really cute little like translucent case. What is this, like frosted? It's just like frosted, I don't know. So they sent me like a little cloth. So yes, I can never have enough of these cloths because honestly, my glasses be getting dirty. And you would understand if you wear glasses. There's also like a foam pad on the inside. I just think it's really great that they send you cases. This is like the pair that I was talking about earlier. I can't believe I still have it. So this one is like a hard case as well, but it's different texture and it's a different, you know, pattern. Obviously it's a like map design, that's what I meant to say. See? Twins. Even like the gold is the exact same thing on these glasses. It's pretty much scratched off on this one, so let's check if these have an item number. Yes, they do. So I will list the item number in the description box. These are like one of the best sellers, I think, but you gotta get it now because they sell out really quickly. But lucky for you guys, they have so many styles and options so that if you don't get your hands on it, you can definitely find like a million other options, like straight up. But anyways guys, definitely check out Firmoo if you are a glasses wearer like myself. Yeah, I love having that option of wearing, you know, really cute glasses because my eyesight is horrible. Like I am nearsighted, so I cannot see like anything 5 feet in front of me. Like it'll be blurry. So I need my glasses, and Firmoo has been just sending me the cutest glasses ever. So thanks again, Firmoo. And yeah, so if you guys did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, like, and subscribe, comment, unsubscribe, do whatever you want, girl. Again, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.